Today we're doing a postpartum strength dumbbell workout for core and pelvic floor. You can do this as a standalone workout, or if you're following along with my postpartum strength challenge, today is day 4. I will be using 10-pound and 5-pound dumbbells. You want to be a little bit cautious and go a little bit lighter if you're not sure about your core. If you have just been newly cleared and you're easing back into exercise, I would go lighter. If you have diastasis recti, you can do this workout without weights at all. You want to keep an eye on your core and make sure you're not getting any coning or doming down your midline. If you don't have dumbbells, you can also just use filled up water bottles or cans of beans. Let's start mobilizing the spine. We can come on to all fours. On an exhale, let's round out. You can tuck the chin. Inhale, tilt your tailbone up, look up. Moving with your breath. Let's come back to neutral spine, and we can take some hip circles. Going the other way. Good, engage your core. Let's come up to our knees. We can take one foot forward. If your back knee is bothering you, you can roll up your mat or put a blanket underneath. Let's shift our weight forward. We can tuck our pelvis under. Sitting tall, relaxing your shoulders down your back. You can place your hand down on the ground or use a block or a dumbbell to keep yourself up a little bit higher. Option to bend your back leg here for a quad stretch. Pressing your foot into your hand. Good. Gently release. Let's shift back to the other side. Tucking your pelvis under, bending your back knee. Good. Gently release. Let's shift our weight back. We can come on to our knees. Let's clasp our elbows, or if it's available, you can clasp your hands, keeping your ribs tucked in. Let's open up through our chest, look up. Externally rotate your upper arms. Hands can reach away from the body. Good. Gently release. Let's come sitting on our glutes. We can bring our legs out just as far as feels comfortable. You can stretch back and forth, engaging your obliques to come up. Exhale, engage your obliques, come up. We can come up to standing. I'm gonna grab one 10-pound dumbbell. If you have diastasis recti, you're just easing back into exercise. Remember, you don't need a weight, or you can go lighter. We're gonna exhale, lift your knee, and switch to the other side. Really focusing on your 360 breath here. You can add a squat now, and exhale. You can also lift your pelvic floor as the knee comes up this time. Inhale down, exhale, knee up. Really contracting your core. I'm going to grab another 10-pound dumbbell. Again, you can go lighter. Palms are going to face forward, no rounding out through your lower back. And then weights are going to come back towards your hips, retracting your scapula. Core strong. Setting up again, this time's palms facing in, shoulders are relaxed down your back. We're gonna come up to standing. Let's raise our dumbbells up, ensuring that your ribs are stacked and not popping out at all. Exhale as you lift your knee. Last one. Amazing. I'm gonna grab a lighter dumbbell. A water bottle would also work great for this as well. Stabilizing yourself on your left foot. We're gonna bring elbow to knee. Exhale, oblique crunch. Last one. Amazing. We place our weight down. Let's stretch to the side. Other side. We can grab a quick sip of water. I'm gonna bring some light dumbbells close by. We're gonna come to all fours, neutral pelvis, core engaged, lifting opposite arm and leg. If you have diastasis recti, don't use the weight at all. We're gonna exhale, not shifting the hips at all, and coming back. Good, 9 more. Last one. We can switch to the other side. Re-engaging your core. Exhale, lift. Last one. Good, coming back to all fours. We can tuck our toes under. We'll lift into bear hover. If you have diastasis recti, simply work with your 360 breath and dig your knees into the ground instead of lifting. Big inhale. Exhale, engage. Option to contract pelvic floor. Lift and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release down, inhale. Relaxing your pelvic floor. Exhale, engage, lift, squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Move with your own breath. Exhale, lift. Inhale, release. Let's do one more. Lift, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Releasing down. Good. We can get down on our side onto our backs. Lowering carefully down. If you have diastasis recti, you can practice your heel slides out, alternating. Otherwise, let's extend one leg up and then exhale, engage your core, lifting your knee, and we will switch. The lower down, the harder it will be. Make sure you're not getting any coning wherever you are. You can always take a video of your stomach to make sure that it's staying safe. Releasing it down. Good. If you have diastasis recti, keep your shoulders on the ground. You're gonna pump your arms here. Otherwise, exhale, you can lift your feet off the ground and your shoulders off, and we'll pump here, keeping your core engaged, breathing into your ribs. Amazing. Release it down. Let's stretch our toes and our fingertips away. Take a couple of deep breaths. Let's roll over onto our side. We can come back to our wide-legged stretches again. Knees and toes pointed up. Good. Let's bring our legs together and let's use internal rotation, moving them back and forth, windshield. Good, we can keep them on one side. Let's take a nice side stretch over. Using your core to come back up, switching to the other side. Good, let's come back up on our knees. Sitting down, one more chest opener. Taking your elbows or your hands, ribs are pulled down and in. Let's round out the other way. Good, release. I hope your core and pelvic floor is feeling strong after that workout. If you want to learn more about my complete step-by-step system for healing and flattening your core and pelvic floor after pregnancy, I will link to it below. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow for the very last day, day 5.